Hey, what's up, good people? This your boy Hug. I got a little bit of surprise for you today. I wasn't going to do it today, but I decided to go ahead and knock it out. This is a bike that was a beach cruiser, an old beach cruiser that I converted into a functioning e-bike. Now, let me show you the power and the glory. This is a Volmart 1,000-watt front hub that easily fit into the dropouts of this old Huffy Cruiser bike that I bought on Facebook for $100. Actually, the guy was selling it for 90. I decided to give him 100 because I didn't have any change on me, but that's neither here or there. This bike will give you plenty of torque from the front wheel. As you can see, I got very important piece right there. You guys who ride bikes know what that is. That's a torque arm. I have torque washers on there as well. You can't see those as clearly, but they're on there. You have to have torque arm and torque washer nuts in order to be safe, okay? This doesn't have a suspension. I didn't really need a suspension. The tires and my seat give me enough cushion. The seat is off my old mountain bike. I had to get another pole for the seat. The seat has springs on it, so you can see that from there. The bike is powered by a 48-watt, 15-amp battery that you can get on Amazon, probably for around $250. When I bought it, it was a little bit cheaper than that. Going back to the front hub, this cost me around $320. So with the bike and the hub motor and the battery, that's basically what you need to get started. In this bag right here is the controller. It controls the power to the front hub. This was an added accessory. This beach cruiser, when I bought it, didn't have a front brake. So in order for me to use and get more stopping power, I had to install a front brake. Since there's no gears back here, I can just reverse the pedals and stop that way. So I have two ways to stop. I have plenty of power to stop. This right here, this is the phone holder for your phone. This right here is the odometer. It shows the time. It doesn't show the speed. What I usually do, I use my phone for the GPS speed, but this is a combination odometer light. I'm gonna turn on the light now. As you can see off the curtain, that's one mode. That's another mode. That's flashing mode. And there's amber mode. I'm gonna cut it off right quick before I burn my battery out. But yeah, let me cut it on for you. That's the LED screen. Here's my throttle. I don't know if I can show you the power with one hand, and I don't want to ruin my floor, but it gives you plenty of power. You see I got full power now. I have pedal assist on as well. That's the bottom red that you see on the screen. That's the pedal assist. So you don't have to go to a store and spend $1,500, $1,600 for a low-end bike when you can take and go buy yourself a brand new bike for say $500, or you can find an older bike that suits you, whether it be a cruiser or a mountain bike or a road bike, and you can convert it into an e-bike. Now, I've been riding this bike. It's a very comfortable riding position. It's something that makes bike riding so much fun. And if you are mechanically inclined in any old way, You should be able to do this no problem because much of it is plug and play. You might have to MacGyver some things, but like I say, MacGyver some electric connections. But if you have even a slight knowledge of how to splice wires, you should be able to do that very easily. So I just wanted to put this video out of my latest build. Oh, let me show you the turn signal that came with the bike, surprisingly. That's a pretty cool feature, huh? That runs off of 4 AAA batteries, by the way. Pretty cool feature at night. Let everybody know what the heck you're doing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm going to be making videos of me riding the bike at a local park near me. So look forward to that on my channel. This is your boy Hug. I'm out for now. Catch you on the rebound.